Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're looking to give your house a little upgrade, I think a front doormat is such a simple way to tie everything together. This one from famibay is a real winner in my house. So we got it in the 3x5 size. It really fills up my entryway very nicely. It's in a black and beige stripe. I have a lot of black accents in my home, so this really ties it all together. I love how thick it is. It's very well made. It's got really beautiful texture as well. This helps it stay in place on the floor. I do have another mat underneath just to make it really anti-slip, but you could use it standalone. It also looks really nice to frame in a doormat. Just gives a really nice pattern as a background. Now the great thing about this rug is it can be used indoors or outdoors. We're using it inside obviously, but if you do want to put it outside, you can totally do that as it's machine washable, so very easy to maintain. So if you're looking for a high quality, beautiful front doormat, I think this one is a really good choice, and that's my point of view.